it's Jeffrey for Let's Locals, your travel advisor. Early morning, beautiful weather, it's time to get some breakfast. And the breakfast I can get right here, a crispy bun with beef filling. I can't wait, let's go. Now, look at the golden brown bun, and you can see all of the layers. Those are created during the preparation process of smearing the oil on the dough. And then inside you have some super juicy meat together with the chopped green onions and the cumin powder. So very, very tasty. This really is my favorite type of breakfast, so you can get it on any street corner in the morning in Xi'an, and it's really something you should look out for. In order to get the nice bun, the dough needs to be very, very soft. This softness comes from the time it gets to proof. The longer the proof period, the better the flexibility of the dough, and of course the better the taste. In order to create a very crispy bun, a lot of layers will be created, and onto every layer some oil will be smeared. Every layer is super thin, and because of the frying it becomes super crispy. The crispy beef bun dates back to the Tang Dynasty 1,000 years ago approximately, and legend has it Emperor Taizong, when he came back from Chang'an, saw some people queuing up in front of a store that was selling beef buns. He was pretty curious, he hadn't eaten it before, so he thought, okay, guards, get me some beef buns. His guards got him some. He took a bite of the crispy beef buns and he was amazed. He became the happiest man on earth. A bit like this. And it was like he couldn't talk anymore. He was totally into the beef bun, which is super delicious. We have reached the end of today's trip with Let's Locals. The beef bun was absolutely delicious. If you loved the video, drop a like and let us know in the comments if you would like to taste one of these bad boys. Now, also subscribe to our channel. See you next time.